Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. RIA operates in Myanmar through partnership with local financial institutions such as KBC Bank, MCB, Yoma Bank, UAB Bank, and CB Bank. These collaborations are essential for facilitating international money transfer, ensuring smooth transitions. Here, if we talk about how you can receive money in Myanmar, so here you can receive money through the KBC Bank. Here, recipient can withdraw money at KBC branches, KBC Pay Center, or KBC Pay Agent. Here, you also have MCB. Fund can be received directly into the MCB account or collected as cash at MCB branches. You also have here Yoma Bank and UAB Bank. UAB Bank provide RIA money transfer service at all UAB branches, allowing customer to receive money over 144 countries. Here, if I share the contact information with you of these banks and RIA money transfer, for KBC Bank, the website is www.kbcbank.com. Here, we also have MCB Bank, which website is www.mcb.com.mm. And for Yoma Bank, you have website www.yomabank.com. You can go to the website of these banks and you can ask for help from their customer support. And for RIA money transfer, you can also go to the website and you can ask for help from the customer support. The website for RIA money transfer is www.riamoneytransfer.com. For sending money, you have to go and you have to open your RIA account. Here you can see the send option in the bottom, and here you can see this international transfer. As we want to do here international transfer, so we'll just go and click on international transfer. Now here you have to select your country, and then here you can enter the amount that you want to send. You can see the money you're sending in your currency and what the recipient will receive. After that, here you have to go and you have to select a delivery method. You can go and you can do bank-to-bank deposit or cash pickup. It's totally up to you. Better to ask the receiver which method is more convenient for them. After selecting the delivery method, the next step is go and select the payment method. Here for payment method, you have in-person option, you have this bank option and card option. You can choose whatever fits you best and easy for you. Then after writing all this information, you can go and you can click on continue. Now here you have to provide your recipient information. After that, you can go and you can see all your detail. Here you can see all your transfer summary and you can go and you can click on continue. That's how basically you can send your money to anyone in Myanmar. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.